as an Ecamm user, you've probably created and accumulated a ton of profiles over the years. I know I have. Now, in the Ecamm app itself, you can see a list of all your profiles, the most recent, and a list of others at the bottom of that view. And you can also delete profiles individually, but there's not really a handy dandy way of looking at all the profiles en masse and doing a little bit of sorting and housekeeping on that. So until it's added to the main app, I thought I'd create my own little app that will help manage your Ecamm profiles a bit more effectively. And it's called the Ecamm Profile Manager. And I wanted to show you what I've created. When you start up the application, you just run it as a normal application. The link is in the description below. And you can just basically run this up as a normal app on your Mac. And as soon as it starts, it's going to automatically detect your Ecamm profiles location. By default, it's in a hidden folder and it comprises of a list of files. And it will detect this automatically for you in this app. So you don't have to do anything or change anything. If you do have your profile stored somewhere else, if it's on an external drive or if you've moved them manually, then you can browse to that particular location and also select that. But you don't have to worry. As soon as the app fires up, it's going to prompt you, is this the location? Just say yes, and it'll show you that it's found the right list of files. Let's cancel out of that. When you start it up, you get this screen. This application you can move around a little bit because sometimes your file names might be large and truncated. Some of them are on my case. So let me show you and walk you through the interface. It's very simple, but hopefully you can sort of grasp this very quickly and how to sort of manage your profiles. The first screen is the profile screen itself. And you've got the ability here to search for a profile first of all. So let's look at anything with live in there and hit return. In my case, I don't have anything, so let's do creative. And you can see straight away, we've got creative amplifiers. So everything to do with the creative amplifiers on here is listed. So you can, search by whatever, even if it's just 2025. I've got a few listed here. So you can actually go through and do a quick search of your profiles. You also have the ability to rank the profiles by list. So you can do newest first, the largest first, or A to Z. The top menu here gives you the total consumed space on your hard drive for all the profiles and the number of active profiles. In my case, I've got 47 active system profiles here, and they total 68 megabytes. You can see on the left-hand side, we've got the ability to individually check the profiles that we want to remove. And you can click on those and remove them individually by just clicking on them, scrolling down to the bottom, and deleting one selected profile. You can actually, if you wanted to go crazy, you can also select all of them and remove them, but we're going to deselect for now. You can individually select profiles, and then you can actually delete them as well using this menu. On the right-hand side of every profile, you've got two little icons. The I for information will show you the name of the profile, when it was actually last modified, the size of it, where it sits within the Ecamm system. These are individual plist files, which are difficult to read, and the file path itself where the actual file is stored. The Insights menu at the bottom actually gives you a sort of system view of storage breakdown, which means show me the different sizes of my profiles, which I think is really handy. So in my case, I've got 30 profiles that are less than 1 megabyte in size. I've got 14 profiles that are medium, between 1 and 5 megabytes. And I've actually got 3 larger profiles that are over 5 megabytes themselves. If you want to know what those are without actually going through and seeing them listed here, you can just click on the legend on the right-hand side and it will automatically sort the size of the actual profiles listed here. So I've got 3 profiles that are all over 5 meg. You can see that there if I just go back to show all. So if you just toggle these, you can see the different profiles. 30 are less than 1 megabyte, and you get the idea. Click on this, and then you can see the medium ones. So that's a quick and easy way of showing you the breakdown and size of your files within the actual system. If you go to the all-important backup section here, I would recommend that you do this first. So before you start modifying any files, I mean, all we're doing actually is deleting them and sorting them, but you can do a full backup of your profiles as well. If you just click on this, it's going to back up all 47 profiles. It's just going to put them in a folder in the same plist format that it's stored on the Ecamm side. No problem. It's not going to modify anything or anything like that. It's just going to do a full backup of what you already have. And then you can go back to the profiles and start sort of removing them individually if you want. So I'm just going to go down here and I'm going to sort these by newest first. So these are the newest ones I've got here. I go all the way down to the bottom. I've got a few old ones here. So I'm just going to click on these. I'm going to select these 3 that I don't want. It's going to show you, I'm going to delete 3 files. Click on that. It's going to give you a prompt to say, hey, do you really want to delete these? Yes. And it's going to show at the bottom, move to trash, and you've freed up 3.39 megabytes. So it's actually going to show you how much space you freed up by deleting those profiles. You can also delete them individually using the little trash can here. Again, I'm not going to delete this one because I do want that, but you can say it gives you a prompt, move to trash, so you can individually remove them from here. And anything in yellow, you'll see that the file size is over 5 megabytes, which is a really nice way visually of showing you the size of those apps. That's pretty much it. I mean, it's a file management system for your profiles. I hope you find it useful. The link is down below and it's ready for purchase now. Let me know in the comments if you want any modifications to this, but hopefully it's going to help you manage your profiles a bit more effectively. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.